Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on FaceTime on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and start by opening up our FaceTime app. And here I'm going to start a call. So I'm going to click on New Call and then begin a call with someone. So let's go ahead and start a FaceTime call. Now, once in your FaceTime call, you should see there's three dots down here. So if you tap on those three dots here, there is an option for screen sharing. So we're going to go ahead and tap on screen sharing. And then click on share my screen. Now you'll see a counter here where it says 3, 2, 1, and it will give you a notification that now you are sharing your screen. Now the person on the FaceTime call can see your screen sharing. So whatever I'm doing here, they can see it. Now in order to stop the screen sharing, you can tap on up top here or open up FaceTime again and just simply click on stop. And when you do that, that's going to go ahead and stop sharing your screen. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.